6, 5.
Diba? Sa stretching na dadala na.
5, 6, 7.
Nagkaaga pa naman minsan ng mga oras 4.
Okay, up. 3. Body level. Good job. Backward. Harap dito, harap dito. Yan. Good job. It's okay, it's okay. Come on, come on. The worst steps. Before. See? Some of you, medyo nahihiya pa eh. Listen to kids, ha? See, kaya yan. Ready? Go, lower, lower, lower. And again, you must count loud. This is my last warning. Or else I'm giving you up, ha? Ready? Position. And go! Good! Body level, higher. And backward. Body level. Good job. See? Oh.
Tapos ito nga, mauwi na tayo? Ha? 2 minutes lang yung laban?
Ewan ko.
And again,
Ay, si Coach, oh. Sa likod mo.
medical issue. Environment issue from other students, ha?
Di ba siya nagano sa'yo?
Yun, meron tayo. Meron lang mga tayo sa'yo. That's for your safety.
Isa.
Nagkakaraan sa kabito, dalawa siya. Yung sa kicking.
Okay, position. Check it. Okay lang yan. Patient. Labas ko ano.
Sorry? Anong venue po ulit? Martin. Venue po na ano?
Venue.
Sa ano? Sa...
Cavite. Yung nag...
Move forward. Sa more, move
Yung
forward.
ano yung sa... Training nila? Sa Valenzuela?
RJ.
Ah.
Para ko mali ako ng pagkakali.
Palit?
Yun. And si jump! Shot, shot, shot!
Meg!
Careful kids, ha? Careful. Coaches, control the fight. Okay. Coach Felix, defense muna si ano. Defense muna siya. Go. Okay lang yan.
Sino ba yung malaban?
Okay lang. Defense lang muna siya. Go. Yan. Good job. Come on. Nice one. Oh, sino naman kasi pa naman eh. Very good. Hit the head. Oh, good. Closer, closer. And stop. Okay, Chilian Cure. Just rest for a while. Punta dito sa gilid. Dito. May second round pa kayo. Okay lang yan. Dito. And out. Four. Julie. Check. Move. And si jump. Very good. Nice. Come on. Black. Don't forget to start.
Sabay mo!
No head kick na Coach Felix.
Keep on kicking.
Don't forget to block.
Ang gigigil na yan.
Come on. Timing. Very good. Relax. Head.
Go na!
Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, everybody. Good job. Shake hands and sit down. Okay, ready. Position. And also